So it is Sunday. The Browns don't suck this year, so they are playing today. Let's celebrate by making some chicken wings that don't suck. You'll be using onion powder, paprika, salt, garlic powder, pepper. You'll also need a little bit of baking powder. For the spices, you can combine however much you like, kind of do it to your preference. I'm going to use about a teaspoon of each. So I'm going to use about a teaspoon of onion powder, paprika, baking powder, salt, pepper, and garlic powder. I'm just going to combine those. Line a pan with foil, spray with non-stick spray, preheat to 425. After you've coated both sides with the powder mixture, throw them in the oven at 425. Set a timer for 25 minutes. After 25 minutes, take the wings out, flip them all over, and put them in for another 25 minutes. Take them out. If they don't look quite done, continue baking them for 10 minutes at a time. And once they look like they're done, if you want them a little crispier, you can broil them for a few minutes. And for the sauce, I am just combining some buffalo sauce, about a tablespoon of butter, and a tablespoon of water. I'm going to melt it all together. And the last step, once they're all done, you're going to coat them in the sauce. And here is the finished product.